I am 27 and I still get acne. I guess I just have that skin type. But this is a face mask that helps soothe my skin. Hi, my name's Priya and the sun wakes me up in the morning. I roll out of bed and I drink water from my copper cup. I brush my hair with a bamboo brush and I stand on my acupressure mat for 10 minutes. Vitamin C is a savior for my skin. After I've had a bunch of breakouts on my skin, vitamin C just gets rid of the scarring. It's like magic. So I get my mandarin peel, blend it up in my NutriBullet. So I get 1 teaspoon of mandarin peel, 1 teaspoon of milk powder, and this is multani mitti. 1 teaspoon of multani mitti and some milk and honey. Also, if you have acne, drink 3 liters of water a day. It makes a huge difference. I didn't add enough milk, so I just kind of kept adding a bit more milk in, and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Give it a good mix around till it looks like this. Then I apply it to my skin, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I wash it off. I got a part-time job when I was 18 and I finally had money, and I actually found myself just going out to the shops and buying a lot of skincare. Over the years, I realized that natural skincare works a lot better on my skin, just works personally for me. I use regular skincare on a daily basis like face wash, moisturizers, eye cream, sunscreen, but when I get breakouts, natural skincare is what I go to.